We have a square, A, B, C, D. Inside the square is the shaded trapezoid, A, B, E, D. Our goal is to find its exact area. Here's what we're given. Segment BE has length 8, and angle BED measures 120 degrees. That's all the information we need. Let's begin by looking at the bottom side of the square, CD. Since CD is a straight line, it forms an angle of 180 degrees. So if angle BED is 120 degrees, then the angle between EC and EB must be 60 degrees. Now look at triangle BCE. Angle C is 90 degrees, and angle E is 60 degrees. That means the remaining angle at B is 30 degrees. So triangle BCE is a classic 30-60-90 triangle. In a 30-60-90 triangle, the side opposite 30 degrees is half the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, BE, is 8. So the shorter leg, CE, is 4. The other leg, BC, is 4 multiplied by the square root of 3. But BC is also the side length of the square. So each side of the square measures 4 times the square root of 3. That means the area of the square is the quantity 4 times the square root of 3 squared. 4 squared is 16. The square root of 3 squared is 3. So the area of the square is 48. Now let's find the area of triangle BCE. Its base is 4. Its height is 4 times the square root of 3. Using the triangle area formula, 1/2 times base times height, we get area of the triangle equals 1/2 times 4 times the square root of 3. 1/2 times 4 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 4 times the square root of 3 is 8 times the square root of 3. Finally, the shaded trapezoid area is simply the area of the square minus the area of triangle BCE. So the answer is 48 minus 8 times the square root of 3. And that's our exact answer. As a decimal, that's approximately 34.1 square units. If you solved it before the end, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.